Effective communication transcends words, relying on tone, expression, and gesture to convey meaning. These non-verbal elements enrich interactions, making them more impactful. Educators can guide students in mastering these skills, enhancing their ability to communicate effectively in diverse settings. Understanding these elements is crucial for conveying emotions and intentions accurately. Understanding tone is crucial in communication. It encompasses pitch, tempo, volume, intonation, and stress, each affecting meaning. For instance, a high pitch might indicate stress, while a low pitch suggests calmness. Different settings demand different tones, impacting how messages are perceived. Mastering tone enhances clarity and effectiveness in conveying messages. Pitch, tempo, and volume significantly impact communication. A high pitch may suggest anxiety, while a low pitch conveys confidence. Fast tempo indicates energy, but slow tempo can imply authority. Volume affects perception. Loudness can assert control, yet too much may seem aggressive. Educators should guide students in mastering these tone variations for effective communication. Expression is crucial in communication, as facial movements convey emotions like joy, fear, and surprise. These expressions often communicate more than words, impacting how messages are received. Educators should emphasize the importance of appropriate expressions in various contexts to enhance students' communication skills, ensuring their facial cues align with their intended message. Gestures are powerful nonverbal cues that convey meaning through body movements. Examples include inviting gestures like open arms and defensive postures like crossed arms. It's crucial to understand cultural differences in gesture interpretation to avoid miscommunication. Educators can guide students in recognizing and using gestures effectively to enhance their communication skills. Educators can enhance students' communication by teaching tone through sentence repetition with varied emotions. Model gestures and expressions for different emotions and engage students in activities to interpret tone, gesture, and expression. These techniques help students understand the impact of nonverbal cues in conveying meaning effectively. Reinforcing communication skills involves reminding learners to consider tone, expression, and gesture before speaking. Observing and providing feedback enhances their awareness of nonverbal cues. Encourage students to adapt their nonverbal communication as contexts change, fostering a deeper understanding of how these elements impact their message delivery. Assessing students' communication skills involves observing their consistent use of tone, expression, and gesture. Evaluate their ability to convey emotions on various topics. Consistent practice and constructive feedback are crucial for improvement. This approach ensures students develop a nuanced understanding of how to effectively communicate their intended message. Integrating tone, expression, and gesture in teaching is crucial for enhancing communication skills. Educators are encouraged to incorporate these elements, fostering students' ability to convey meaning effectively. By doing so, we empower learners to communicate with clarity and confidence, enriching their interactions and understanding.